चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about AI art generation. And don't worry, I am not going to talk about Midjourney because I am going to talk about a new AI tool that can eventually replace Midjourney or any other AI art generator and the way we generate art using AI. And it's a really interesting tool, and I got a hands on this AI using a beta version, but later on it will also be released to the public. But till then I tested this AI and it was really awesome. And I'll tell you ahead in this video how this AI was and what was the response and what kind of quality images did the AI generate and what type of models the AI was using. Before starting the video and telling you a lot of exciting things to you, I want to have a small talk with you. You all know that AI has taken over the world in just a short span of time. A lot of people have got laid off and millions have lost their jobs. And I believe that you don't want to get hit by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person who will be using AI will surely replace you. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop in which we will teach you how to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. And now let's continue the video ahead. So if you talk about Stable Diffusion at this point of time, it's a very simple AI art generator just like Midjourney, where you can go on Discord and use it. The way it generates the art, it changes the whole perspective of creating art using AI. And I am saying this because the fidelity and the speed of this AI art generator is leaps and leaps of bound better than any other AI art generator, be it even Midjourney. And to use this AI model in Discord, you just need to write !dream and write any prompt whatever you want, and that is like write any prompt that is coming into your mind, because it's just like every other AI that you just need to enter a prompt and it will create an image for you. And now you see the image, it's so really amazing if you see. So now let me explain you the numbers that were written in the description in the prompt. So the W you get, it's very simple, that it stands for width, that is the breadth of the image, that is the width of the image. So if we write 1024, it will create according to that. And always remember this, that the maximum width that you can use is 1024, and this always works in the increment of 64. And just like W, the H stands for height, and for the height also it's the same, that the maximum pixels that you can use is 1024, and it's also increases in the same way of 64 pixels. And if you see this image, I have also made a reference, so like you can see the aspect ratio and understand how you want to set the width and the height according to you. So you can take a screenshot of this, and if you want you can keep this video saved for your future reference in case you might need this later on. And the N in the prompt stands for how many number of images you want to create. So you can write between 1 to 9. So it doesn't have a limit like Midjourney that there will be just 4 images. And grid shows them as a single image or combined images, like in Midjourney you see that 4 images are coming, like that is G4 over here if we call it as a reference. But here you can define like what type of grid you want. And the S stands for the steps, that is in lower case, and the number is between 1 to 150, and it helps to compute the AI that how better the image would be created. So like if you see on S1 the image is different, at S75 the image is different, at S150 the image is different. And there's also thing that also starts with S, that is called seed, but that is in uppercase, and you can set it for any number. So if you set that S is 123, so the next time you will write S123, it will produce the same result like the last time what you did. And if you change the S, so the results would also be changed. But anytime if you want to have the same results for an image, just write the seed number same and you will get the same results. So these were the main commands, and now if you see there are these overall images that are created on Discord because a lot of users have got this testing version. And you can see these images, that these images can be fine-tuned and are really good quality images. And at this point the AI is totally unfiltered and it doesn't have any prompt engineering that you would need to write in a specific way to get the desired result. So this AI is working in a way that whatever the prompt you give, it thinks in the same way what the word deciphers in a human brain. So if you think of a forest, so if you write a word forest, it will just think of forest. and if you write it with combination, it will still make the combination based on each image that it has created for that exact word. That is a really interesting concept though, but it's in a beta stage, so we don't know how successful it would be, but it's a really interesting model. And I believe the day this AI gets open source, a lot of people and even some AI organization just like Midjourney can also use this AI to fine tune their own AI created images, and this is really great. And if you see all of these images, these all images are created by the Stable Diffusion, what I have used over a period of days this week. And the image results are really stunning and totally believable that it would take you a lot of time to even generate these images, and there would be some images that would be still not be existing, and some would be even impossible to generate that this AI is already generating it for you. So we'll these 5 different images, and we have saved their prompt that in case we want to generate them again. And so on the second run, if you see, we have generated the same image. So we are just changing the sampler option over here to tweak. And if you change in everyone like PLMS, Euler, DPM or DPM2, Yun, the things are changing. A very small finer details are changing in the image, and every model is doing at its best. So PLMS is very good for photorealistic images. Euler model is really good for like this background depth, and KLMS is really good for if you see the details like Emma Watson has the details what are seeing in the video, and also the background blur that you get, and you can change this intensity. And of course in time these things would change because this all things are getting experimental and it will take a little time, but for at this point of time, I believe that this is a really great AI art generator that in future if we'll use, we can create a lot of good images for ourselves. And that is it for this video. And if you like the information given in the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment on the channel if you have any doubts, and also don't forget to subscribe B10X. And do remember that you can join our workshop which can really help you increase your productivity and enhance your career. So see you in the next video talking about some of the more cool AI stuff. Till then, bye bye.